Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, in this particular video, I will be discussing the today's Ask coding question in Accenture. So this exam happened on 8th November 2024. So guys, make sure that you're watching this video till the end so that you can get to know the different type of questions which are getting asked in the Accenture exam. Okay, so yesterday also I posted a video on latest Accenture exam questions. So do check that out also. So these videos are very much important for you so that you can get to know the level of the questions which are getting asked in these exams. Okay, so guys, now let's start this video. Before starting the video, please hit that like and subscribe button for this channel and do join this Telegram group. The link of this Telegram group you will find in the description box. This particular Telegram group is for the dedicated batch for 2025. Okay, so all different companies discussions are happening in this particular group, so do join it. The link you will find in the description box. And guys, in the middle of the video I will be telling you about the resources from which you can prepare for your upcoming Accenture exam. So guys, now let's continue with the coding question. Okay, so guys, first of all we will be discussing the question, then the approach of this question, and finally the coding part of this question. Question here is, a carry is a digit that is transferred to left if sum of digit exceeds 9 while adding two numbers from right to left one digit at a time. So you all know what is a carry. So when once we are adding two digits, if the sum is greater than 9, then the one carry is transferred towards the left digit. Okay, you are required to implement the following function. So int number of carries, int num1, num2 will be given to you. The function accepts two number, num1 and num2 as its argument. You are required to calculate and return the total number of carries generated while adding digits of two numbers, num1 and num2. Assumption is num1 and num2 are both greater than or equal to 0. So the question is very simple. It's basic math question. So the input is given to us two numbers, 451 and 349. Okay, 451 and 349. So we will have to count how many carries are generated here. So if you will see, let's just do simple addition. So 1 plus 9 becomes 0. Okay, 1 plus 9 becomes 10. So 10 is 0 will be keeping here, 1 will be taken as carry. So this is 1 carry. So 1 plus 5 plus 4 will again become 10. So here 0 will be coming, and again 1 carry will be going here. Okay, so then in the next thing, what will be 1 plus 4 plus 3, it will become 7. So the answer is 700, but we are not concerned about the answer. We are concerned at how many carries are generated here. So number of carries that are generated here are 2. You can see here. Okay, so output is also 2. So it is a simple maths question, that how many number of carries are generated. It's the answer is simply 2. If I will tell you the another input, so it is 563, then it is 23. Okay, so in this case, for 3 plus 3 is 6, then 6 plus 2 is 8, then 5 plus 0 is 5. So in this case, no carry has been generated. So directly the output will be 0, that is no carry generated here. So I hope now the question is clear to you. Approach is also very simple. You'll just have to add the number, and once the carry is there, we'll simply have to add it. Okay, so let's just now see the coding part of this question. Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, I would like to tell you that on our top mid page at Code Bashers, we have Accenture preparation material for 2025 batch. Yesterday only we have launched it. Okay, so in this particular preparation material, we have total 7 sections covered. That is English ability, critical reasoning and abstract reasoning, common application and MS Office, pseudocodes, network security and cloud, coding questions. So for all these sections, we have around 110 plus questions for all these sections, and these questions are previously asked in Accenture only. So if I show you the sample of, let's suppose, common application in MS Office, so this is the sample of this particular PDF. So in this you can see we have the question, we have the options, we have the right answer for it. Okay, so I know many of you are struggling for different sections while preparing for Accenture, because there is no one place at which you can find all the resources. So the main idea behind this material was to make it structured material, as well as to give all the previously asked questions for different sections at one place only. And guys, believe me, many of these questions do repeat in the exam, and these are previously asked questions of Accenture only. So the once you are preparing for your exam, you can prepare for this material. It's highly reliable, and it's at a very nominal price of rupees 99. So I've shown you the sample for common application MS Office, that we have question, we have options, we have correct answer. Around 110 questions for MS Office we have. If I will show you the sample of Accenture coding PDF, so here 60 plus previously asked coding questions are there. Here proper question will be there. sample input, sample output is there, explanation is there, and the code is also there. So these are well structured material that we have prepared, okay, keeping in mind the recent questions asked in Accenture. So if you are interested, you are preparing for your Accenture exam, you can check out this material. The link you can find in the description box, and it is a very nominal price of ₹99. Okay, if you are interested, do check them out. The links are in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. So now let's continue in the video. So what will happen? So what we'll do? Okay, so here I have already implemented the function. So what we are doing inside the main function, we are taking first of all two numbers as input, num1 and num2. We are passing it into the our function find carry count. So in find carry count, what we'll be doing, num1 and num2 we have initially the carry will be 0 and the count of carries will be also 0. These are all initially. So while num1 is greater than 0 and num2 is greater than 0, so what we are doing, okay, so in this case what we will be doing, so first of all we will be taking the rightmost place. So how will we be taking the rightmost place of both the numbers? That will be num mod 10 and then num2 mod 2, num1 mod 10 and num2 mod 2 plus carry. Initially the carry will be 0, but moving ahead the carry can become 1 also. So this is the sum value of the rightmost numbers of both the numbers. Okay, so in this case what we'll be doing, so now we have to once we have done the sum of the rightmost digit, now we have to find the carry. How we will be finding the carry? We will do simply do sum divided by 10. Now if the carry is double equivalent to 1, so it means the carry has been coming. So we will be doing count plus plus. Okay, and again to move ahead, what we'll doing, num1 equal to num1 divided by 10, num2 equal to num2 divided by 10. So if we have the numbers 349 and 541, okay, so in this case, sorry, 551, yeah. So in this case, first of all, we have done the sum for rightmost digit. So num1 mod 10 will be 9, num2 mod 10 will be 1, plus the carry is also 0 initially. So the sum will coming out to be 10. Now we know that once a 10 sum is coming out, the carry will be going to the next number. That is for 4 and 5 addition, carry will be going on. So carry we will be finding out, carry is equal to sum divided by 10. That is 10 divided by 10 is 1 only. So if carry is 1, we will do count plus plus. And now the roll of these rightmost digits are over. So we will be simply doing like this. Now what we're doing, we have carry now 1. Okay, so again we will doing the sum of the rightmost digit. Num1 mod 10 will be 5, num2 mod 10 will be 4, plus the carry is now 1. So the answer, total answer will be again 10. Okay, total answer will be 10. So carry is equal to 10 divided by 10. Again it will be coming out to 1. Once carry is double equivalent to 1, we will be doing count plus plus. This is the carry count. Then again we will be doing, now the roll of these two digits are over. We will be doing 3 and 5 again. Num1 equal to num1 divided by 10, num2 equal to num2 divided by 10. And this process will be continuing while num1 is greater than 0 and num2 is greater than 0. So let's just see with the help of sample input and sample output. So this code is, I think, not entirely correct, but let's just see. So let's just do 99 plus 99. So in this case, two carries are generated. So answer should be coming out 2. Okay. So, okay, sorry. This will be a compilation error here. Okay. So here the sum should be coming out as 2. Let's just see. So yeah, result is coming out as 2. Now let's just do for 99 plus 9. Here also the sum should come as, oh, result should come as 2, but I think the result will be coming as per our code. It will be coming as 1. So let's just see. So yeah, result is coming as 1. So the answer is wrong here. So what will be adding an extra step here? So for if while num1 is greater than 0, we have to perform some steps. While num2 is greater than 0, we have to perform some steps, because after the first loop is over, then there is a possibility that num1 and num2 are still left. They are not entirely 0. So in this case, what will you doing? Again, let's just quickly copy paste this code only and we'll modify it. So sum1 equal to num2 will now be gone. Okay, carry we will be taking and num1 we will be keeping here. Okay, now after doing this small change only, our answer will be coming as correct. Okay, like this we are doing sum divided by 10 and num1 equal to num1 divided by 10. Okay, so now let's just run this code and the answer should be coming out as 2 here for this particular thing. So yeah, answer is coming as 2. So this particular code will pass all the test cases that will be given to you. So make sure to check this code. So guys, this was it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Do hit that like and subscribe button for this channel, and do join this Telegram group and that Accenture preparation material that I have talked about in this particular video. The links you can find in the description box or in the I button. Do check them out. Thank you for watching this video.